do another slime video.
Yeah.
And I have this wheel right here.
Yeah, he has a wheel on his phone.
Yeah, and with this wheel, we are going to do slime. We're gonna spin the wheel. Each of us spin 5 times, and how our slime ends up is how it ends up.
Yeah.
And we have also, we added glue and activator 2 times on the wheel because those are the ingredients we need the most. But what we have here is fishbowl beads, shaving cream, orange food coloring, blue food coloring, purple food coloring, and glue and activator. So let's get straight into this. If we rock, paper, scissors, who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you go first. Let's spin the wheel, press the wheel.
Okay, press the wheel.
Let's see what she gets.
Let's see what he gets.
She got fishbowl beads.
Fishbowl.
Okay, you don't even have anything in it yet.
Christmas slime today.
Some fishbowl slime. Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
That's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
You might want to take some out.
He doesn't know. So
Oh,
this,
no.
oh,
Fishbowl
there's
goes
not
everywhere.
really
Doesn't match her. Okay. My turn to spin. See what I get. Fishbowl beads! I got fishbowl beads also. I don't know how. We just have one. Fishbowl beads just on there once. Once. Okay. Here, you spin now. Yeah, we both have fishbowl beads right now.
Okay, that's my turn.
Okay, she's gonna spin again. So she gets. You got orange coloring.
That's I like
Orange
that. I like that. I like orange.
You need to get glue or activator. If not, this is not gonna be a good slime.
Yeah.
And guess you can mix it around already.
I don't even mix it around.
Okay, my turn. I'm going. Let's see what I get. Switch up!
Oh. Okay, bye.
No. At least yours has orange.
You can put more orange.
I want to put
food
more
coloring.
orange food coloring because this doesn't have that much.
Yeah. Because I got it and it's my stuff, so you can put more.
Oh no.
Oh no, that was wrong.
Okay. Here. Your turn. No, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's your turn.
No, I got to switch up. It's your turn.
Okay.
Does not look as good as it.
Glue, yes!
Oh, you got glue already. No, mine's horrible.
You can get glue one day.
Let's see. What do I get? Please give me glue or activator. No, actually glue. Yes, I got glue.
Oh,
me
wow,
some
that was a
glue.
lot. That was a lot.
I need some glue right now.
Okay, this is my slime so far.
You and me have like the same things.
Yeah, but yours is gonna be orange.
Oh, mine looks so cool.
I think I need more fishbowl beans. That's enough. That's a lot.
Okay, I'm done with my glue right there.
Okay, so far this
is mine so far.
This
and that's
is mine.
hers so far.
Oh God,
You and me have the same one, except mine just has color.
that one on the camera on my slime. Look at the side one on the camera.
Oh, doesn't matter.
And it doesn't matter.
Okay, let's see. You go next.
And this is his.
This is mine. Okay, you go next, Angelina. Let's see. Show them. You have to get activator.
Switch off!
No!
Okay.
No, my turn. Please get a switch up again. I got activator. Let me get this. Activator. Okay. I wanted my orange one.
If I get blue or purple, that's going to turn it brown.
Please don't. Oh, this is thick. Oh no.
Oh, mine's thick too.
It looks like a web.
Yours was thick. Like it was so thick. This is so thick.
This is how mine is.
And
I started off with this plate. Okay, your turn.
so
See what you get. You got switch up. Yes, we know how to have activator. No,
oh, my baby.
please give me activator, please.
I missed you.
More glue.
You're getting a lot of glue.
This is not what I want. I'm gonna put
That's
there.
exactly. This
Here,
is what
you
exactly
spin.
what I wanted.
Show them. This is exactly what I didn't want. I think the other one's
Purple
better.
coloring, yes.
Oh, it's gonna be purple. Let's see what mine is.
I wanted purple.
You're
I
gonna
blue
have-
when I got purple. Oh, that
Who's
was
the
a lot of
activator?
purple.
Switch up!
No, my baby.
I don't want to have
Can't
purple.
mix mine though.
Okay,
I
there's
don't.
purple
I don't want yours.
fishbowl slime. You could get activator.
I
This
don't
one.
want you.
No. Okay, here, spin the wheel. I'll spin. Okay, show them what you get.
Huh?
She got more fishbowl beads.
Fishbowl
You
beads.
do need more
I
fishbowl
get to
beads.
put a
in
lot.
there. Okay, that's good. That's a lot of fishbowl beads.
Get that.
This is mine so far, and that's hers. Show them yours.
Well, this is supposedly used to be yours, your baby.
Yes.
This was mine.
Well, this one I started off with. What did I get? More fishbowl beads.
More fishbowl.
I'll just put like 2.
I hope we get.
I only put a little bit.
I
Okay,
hope we get switch
your
up.
turn. Fishbowl beads we keep on getting.
Activator.
Oh, that one now has activator.
Like 3.
This needs more activator.
I can over activate yours because when we get
Someone
switch
start off
up,
with yours.
you get yours is
I
gonna be so hard. It's gonna be like
I got-
a plastic rock.
I got more
Right?
glue.
Oh my god, this is how we turn it into slime. Oh my god, this is the best.
No, don't touch it. How are you gonna touch the?
We need more activator.
No. You can't use that. You didn't get it. No, you have to put it back.
I did.
No, you didn't. You didn't get it right now. You didn't get it. You can't do that. Okay,
Get off of me. Get off of
I have
me.
to add activator. I have to.
I hope we get switch up.
Okay.
I get to go
No,
and
you
wash
can't
my-
use that. You can't play with it. You have to.
I gotta go and wash my hands.
Let me put more activator in yours.
I'm gonna wash my hands real quick.
While she's going, I just spin. We have to wait until she comes back so she can spin. Oh no. This activator isn't. This slime isn't looking good. Put some more glue in this. Let's look at this orange one. That looks pretty good. Let's see this one. I like them. They're both good. That one seems like a blue instead of a purple. But I like it. We like doing these slime videos. These slime videos are fun, and we get to show you how it ends out. But we're not done with the slime yet. We have to do like I'd say like 2 more spins each. Just have to wait until Angelina comes back. Both of these got a lot of fishbowl beads. Here. Soon coming up, we're gonna do a fishbowl slime video. I like doing videos. Videos are really fun and you guys get to enjoy them and watch them. I say they're both good.
And we're back.
This one's really thick.
Wait, what?
This one doesn't have that much glue. To add more glue.
What is this slime? Is your slime?
No, wait, don't, no, leave it. And put some more glue in it. Move.
I didn't get glue.
I know, we just have to have it like that.
Okay, we're...
Okay, 2 spins each.
Okay, so is
Okay.
it my turn?
Who got glue last? It was me. Okay, so
My
I'll
turn?
spin for you, yeah. See what she gets.
Let's see what I get. Oh,
You got glue. You just got glue, though. Oh, her spoon broke. The slime is too
That's his one.
strong. You just added glue, so I guess this is your glue. Wait, let me add
I
some
know,
more
no,
color.
don't get it on my hands.
I'm not.
If you did, like, get something on my hands, I'm gonna be, like, so mad at you.
Okay, for my last slime, let's see what I get.
Oh my god, guys, you turned mine over.
Orange coloring.
Guys, you made mine not activated no more. It's not activated anymore.
You can put some more ice.
No!
It says we have to have it. The wheel just got orange coloring.
It's gonna say brown. No, my baby.
I started off with
this.
It's red. Oh, it's brown.
Okay, you're gonna have that slime. You're gonna have this perfect orange slime. You're gonna have that brown slime. It's good. Wait. That does not look
Well, that's
good
some orange.
at all.
I'll make it
Oh, you're making Nutella.
Yes, it's gonna be Nutella.
It's Nutella with peanuts inside it.
We're gonna need more coloring. We're out of orange coloring, I think.
Gallo.
We're out of orange coloring.
Carlo.
Yes.
You just finished it.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait. Okay, guys, mine's brown.
It's brown.
Okay.
Like Nutella.
Is it 2 more each?
That's gonna be
Let's see what-
called Nutella
Let's see what she gets.
with that.
You get more orange coloring. We're out.
Wait.
Oh, no, you could do one more drop. I think one more drop's left. No, okay, wait. No. Okay. Let's see. There's the last spin.
I really need to get activated. Like,
my last
really
spin.
need to get activated because you unactivated.
Mine's gonna have some fishbowl beads.
But if we don't get activated and it doesn't turn, and it's just glue, we need to put.
I think you might have won this. I was gonna win if I didn't get orange coloring.
No, they need to comment down below who wins.
Yes. What's that Nutella?
For yours, I think I like yours because it looks like Nutella because it looks like Nutella with like peanuts inside it.
That's what I was gonna say. Wait.
That's what I said before. You never said it though. You never said nothing.
Here.
Wait. What did I get?
You got more orange coloring. You put it in. So guys, this is our ending slime results, which I'm going to show mine first. This is my slime. My ending slime result.
Yeah, but you need to put an activator in.
Yeah.
Because
But
like
look,
it's not gonna turn.
Here's my ending slime result. I'm just going to put some more activator in there. And show them yours.
And this one's mine. Oh,
You almost fell.
this one's mine. It has activator in it.
Be careful.
Thank you
She
for
almost fell
pushing
the
me.
chair. Okay. So guys, we ended up with a good slime show 'em. This is my slime.
And
There's
this
like a
one-
brown
and this one's my
Fishbowl,
slime.
and that's her orange fishbowl slime. They're like fishbowl slimes, but they're good. We didn't get shaving cream at all.
Yeah, we did not get shaving cream at all.
I don't know why. I'm pretty sure we had shaving cream on there. We did. That's weird. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. And if you have any other future if you have any ideas for us to do in our future videos, just comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Wow.